Guys, want to welcome you to the channel. Today I was talking with my neighbor, and he actually reminded me something. I think I told you in my last video, but I don't remember. And that is how to keep your weed whacker, blower, lawnmower constantly running, even when you pull the cord, it doesn't start. And what do I always reach for? Now, I see a lot of videos on YouTube always talking about the same nonsense, to me nonsense, which is take apart the carburetor and clean it up and it'll start. Let me just give you a quick testimonial. And the quick testimonial is my brother-in-law had a chainsaw in his garage for over a year, and it was rusty. It was brutally rusty. And it didn't start, obviously. And I remembered going to the store and getting, ta-da, Gumout, Carb and Choke and Parts Cleaner. Now, you don't have to get this specific can, but this has always worked best for me. And so now I'm just going to demonstrate what you're going to do for all your machines. This can is very valuable. I would suggest you load up your shed with it, because sometimes it's not in the store when you need it, but maybe you'll have it in your store. I somehow find out that here in New York, this can seems to fly off the shelf really quick. Alright, so very simply. So now with my lawnmower, you want to get at the carburetor, obviously. So you take off this cover, take off the filter, and that hole right there is the mouth of the carburetor. So what are you going to do with your Gumout can? Very easy. The key is make sure any can of carburetor cleaner, doesn't have to be Gumout, has this little stick. It's key. We'll throw it over here, take off the cap. It's very hard to do this all with one hand, but you're going to put this stick in the valve of the can. And so now, leaving the filter and the cover off, you're going to put the stick deep down in the carburetor and give it just 2 shots. 2 shots, one shot, twice. Pull the cord. Pull the cord. You know, go to the back, leave the cover off. It's still not starting. Fine. Okay. Let it take a break. 2 more shots. 1, 2. This time, let the lawnmower take a little break with that in there. Okay, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Come back. Pull the cord. I find on most cases, you pull the cord after like 5 minutes of the lawnmower sitting, and it kicks right over. It's incredible. If it doesn't, still, you just keep pulling it. Keep pulling it. And the moment you hear that, that cough, it's going to sound like that, then you got it. Then you know it's going to start. Maybe another shot in there. The key here is you don't want to ever put this Gumout, which is cold, in an overheated lawnmower, a lawnmower that's you've been using for a while. Always put it in when the lawnmower is ice cold, because cold to hot will crack. These things are mostly plastic. Even the carburetor in this thing is plastic. Will crack and break apart seals. And that's it, man. I mean, I'm really sharing with you not even a secret, but I'm just annoyed when I see videos on YouTube of people telling you take apart the carburetor. You never have to do that. Just a few shots of this Gumout in there. Every time even over the year, this thing is sitting, and it's gonna start. I really hope that this video helps you guys. I've been using it for my blowers. It's been working like a charm. I've been using it for my 2-cycle weed whacker. It's been working like a charm. The number one thing I can tell you not to use ever, is starter fluid. Starter fluid is highly flammable, and you can start a fire. Let me see where it is. I have a cheap one here. Yeah. So, under no circumstances do you ever use engine starting fluid. Never. In the carburetor. It'll create a fire, and it'll burn your machine, and then it's up to you. You're going to have to buy a brand new machine. So I'm just going to end the video on that note. And sorry I haven't put together a video in a long time, but I hope this video helps you people out there in YouTube land that you don't have to buy a new lawnmower. This lawnmower is so old you wouldn't even believe it. And you don't have to buy a brand new weed whacker. That weed whacker is super old, that model. And when I have a problem when it's not ready to start, a couple of shots of Gumout and the thing is running like a top.